Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the simple way to calculate ROI on rental property, so you can make smart investment decisions fast. Welcome to our channel. If you're considering investing in rental properties or already have one, understanding how to calculate your return on investment or ROI is crucial. Today, I'll guide you through an easy step-by-step process to calculate ROI on rental property so you can assess profitability with confidence. Step 1. Gather your numbers. First, collect the essential data for your rental property. This includes the purchase price of the property, any repair or remodeling costs paid up front, your annual rental income, and all your annual expenses such as property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and management fees. Step 2. Calculate your total investment. Add together the purchase price of the property and all initial costs you paid to make it rentable. This total represents the amount of money you have invested into the property. Step 3. Determine your net operating income, NOI. To find the NOI, subtract all annual operating expenses from your annual rental income. Do not include mortgage payments in this calculation since ROI aims to measure overall profitability before financing. Step 4. Compute ROI. Use the formula. ROI equals net operating income divided by total investment times 100 to express it as a percentage. This percentage tells you how much return on your investment you're generating each year from rental income. For example, if your total investment is $200,000 and your net operating income is $20,000, your ROI would be 10%, meaning you earn a 10% return annually on what you put into the property. Step 5. Interpret your ROI. A higher ROI means better income performance compared to your investment. Real estate investors typically look for a positive ROI above 8% as a good indicator of profitability, but this can vary based on location and market conditions. This simple way of calculating ROI helps you quickly evaluate whether a rental property is worth buying or if your existing investment is performing well. Remember, ROI focuses on the income relative to your investment, so it's a critical snapshot of property performance aside from market appreciation. Forget to adjust your numbers annually to reflect changes in rent, expenses, or additional investments so you have the most accurate ROI figure possible for ongoing decisions. To sum up, by collecting your costs, calculating net income, and applying the ROI formula, you can easily see how well your rental property is doing financially. This knowledge empowers you to make informed choices on buying, selling, or managing your rental assets effectively. Enjoy the journey of growing your rental income portfolio with clarity and confidence.